Hey guys, my name is Mr. C. I've been teaching Spanish for the past 2 decades. Today we're going to look at how we can use critical thinking in a basic Spanish class. Now, when Danielson came around, it was a nightmare when you hear the word critical thinking and you're teaching basic Spanish. And this is when I started thinking about different ways I can use critical thinking. Now, the idea of not having just one way of doing things, and you could come up with different ways to solve a problem. So is critical thinking. So since foreign language, we make connections with other disciplines, and today we're going to look at mathematics. So after you teach your student the numbers, a critical thinking exercise that you could do is asking kids to come up with different combinations of numbers to solve the math problem. So 5 different ways to get to the number. So you could add, you could multiply, you could subtract, and you could even divide. So we're going to look at, for example, the example 16, 16. So you could add two numbers, 9 y 7, 2 por 8, 20 menos 4. Now, this is just a few examples because there are so many combinations of numbers that students could come up with to get to the number 16. And of course, they could do the same thing for number 6. So if you want to get to the number 6, you could say, for example, 2 por 3, 4 y 2. Or if you prefer to use the word más, 4 más 2. Or you could even, if you want to divide, for example, 12 dividido por 2. So this you will get to the number 6. And you do the same thing for number 9. So you could multiply 3 numbers. For example, 3 por 3. If you want to add 2 numbers, 4 y 5. Or if you want to use más, like I said, you could use 4 más 5. Let's look at another number, 15, for example. How will you get to the number 15? If you want to divide, you could divide 45 by 3. Okay, 45 dividido por 3. Or if you want to add 2 numbers, if you could add 2 numbers, you would say 10 y 5 or 10 más 5. Okay, if you want to multiply two numbers, you would say, for example, 3 por 5. Okay, and you do the same thing for number 4 and number 5, so on and so forth. So I hope that that was very helpful, and if you find it helpful and you like it, we will come back with more ideas next time, hopefully in a different discipline. But again, teaching foreign language. Thank you.